Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is connection setting between PLC to PC, FX series and Q series of Mitsubishi PLC. And this is the lecture number 3, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. Today we will learn about PC connection with PLC of FX series and Q series. Let's come on FX series. Is a compact PLC, and you can see here is a one serial port here. So come on on software. This is a GX Works Tool software, and create a new project. FX CPU select, and our PLC type is FX3G. Okay, is a creating a new project for us, and go to no connection and create a new connection, add new data, and we want to connect FX series. Okay, and select OK, and now you drag this one in current connection and open it. And this is a PC side setting, and this is a PLC side setting. Okay, so in serial USB you have to select here the two options, RS232 and USB connection. It depends on your PC connection. Okay, and if you select RS232, you have to tell about port number. Okay, this will be, you see in computer setting, go to computer properties, and this is a device manager. And this time no PLC is connected to my PC. Okay, if you connect your PLC via serial port, so you will see here is some USB serial port will be here. So you have to note the port number and mention it in software in this point. Okay, if it is a COM2, you have to select COM2 and select OK. So you can see is a COM2 selection. And in PLC side, because this is a compact PLC, already PLC mode select FX CPU. Okay, and if you select other one Q mode, so it's automatic select Q mode. So you have to set FX CPU in starting of the project. So okay is here, and these are no specification because we are connecting PLC and PC directly, so no specification have to select. And when your PLC and PC connected, so connection test will be successful, because this time no PLC is connecting my PC, so it's giving some error. And you can check system image. This is our FX series PLC, is a compact PLC. It's a directly communicate over PC. Okay, and you can see the PC side COM2, and this is a PLC side PLC mode FX CPU. Okay, it's a very simple setting. Our next one is Q series. Is a Q series is a modular PLC, and you can also connect your PC with CPU or communication module. If your PLC has some communication module, like some serial communication module or TCP Modbus communication module, you can also connect your PC with directly communication module, and you also connect with CPU. So we will take two things, CPU and communication module. So come on our software. This is a GX Works Tool software, and create your project new. And this one, that time our is CPU, select it, and our PLC type is Q06 UDH, and OK. Okay, and go to project and PLC parameter, and you program and go to main, insert it, and go to IO assignment, and your PLC, your CPU number Q06 UDH. Okay, and other one is your communication module is called intelligent module, and the number is QJ71 MT91. This is the number of the 32 points, and it will start from 00. Okay, there are two communication module. This one is the CPU, and other one is Modbus communication module. Okay, and check it. This is no error. Okay, and end it, and go to in intelligent function mode module and create a new module. You have is the Modbus communication module interface, and it is automatic select QJ71 MT91. Okay, and you can see the IO configuration. This is one we have added in our IO assignment. This is automatically select it, and okay, yes. Are you sure to place specific module? Yes, we want to place. Okay, and now go to your internet setting, the network parameter, and go to internet setting and select you use internet, and this IO number will be start from 00, and network is 1, and you have to select station number. Means if you are using multiple CPI PLCs, CPUs and PCs, then you have to give your station number. That time our station number is 1. Okay, I have only one PC and with one PLC. And go to operation setting, and you have to write IP address. First you have to select in IP address of your PC. So before I change it, I have to set PC IP address. So go to here and select one is change adapter setting, and local area connection, and this is the internet protocol version 4. Select it, and this is the IP address 196.68.11. You can change. Okay, but is this if you choose this one 198.168.11, so you have to put this in your connection. Operation setting, and it's a 198 and 168 and 1. If you are using here, if you are using here 1, then you have to put here 2. Okay, and select is internet, enable online change, and it just select it, and now go to open setting, and this is our TCP protocol because we have to select one protocol, and select this mal source connection and go to end. Again this is the end point. Now go to connection and create a new, add new data. First we will use USB. Because you can see in our PLC is also available USB port. Okay, this is the internet port, is a USB port, and this is the communication modules. So you have to select and drag it in connection and go here, and if I select USB, this is a PC connection side. If I select USB and go OK, and PLC side, this is a Q mode because we are directly connected with PLC, CPU and PC serial USB port. Okay, because both are direct, so no specification. And connection test, if your PC is connected with PLC, then it will come here successful operation is okay. But that time no PLC is attached to my PC, so it will giving some error. Okay, and check system image. You can see here is a direct PA CPU, and it's a connected line, and it's our PC. PC side is a USB connection, and PLC side is a PLC CPU. Okay, and no create other one for internet setting. Internet. Okay, and you drag it in current connection. At that time we will connect our wire with PC on internet board. So I will select it is this one. Okay, is the internet board. And now I want to connect my PLC with this communication module, so I will select is internet module. Okay, and this is no direct communication between CPU and PC, so I will select this is the other station. And you can see here this is the internet, this is our extra module, internet module, and this is our PC internet board. And you can see here PC side this is a TCP setting, and in PLC side this is a QJ71 network setting. Okay, and the last one is add a serial communication. So I will in serial and select one. This is a RS serial communication. Port number you can take from here. Okay, as I told you earlier, and give your port number and go OK. Your PLC is directly communicate with PC, though no specification. Check the connection test. Image you can see now is already is a directly communication CPU and PC. Okay, you can see the port number 2 and speed is 11.2 kbs, and this is a PLC mode CPU. Okay, so that time there are 3 connection. If you want to anyone, just drag it in current connection, and now you can connect USB to, and if you want to internet, drag it in current connection. Okay, now if you have any question regarding this lecture, please raise a question in comment box. Our team will be give you answer as soon as possible. Okay, bye.